where we provide you the best tips and tricks to improve your English language skill. In today's video, I am going to give you the solution of class 10th previous year's question paper 2024. Today we will solve section B part 1 grammar part. So without wasting any moment, let's get started. So students, let's start the solution of grammar part previous year's question paper. Okay. So as you all know, there are 12 questions in this part, grammar part, and you have to solve 10 only. Any 10 you will solve. So here the grammar part, section B grammar part, for 10 marks, 10 questions you have to attempt. Each question had 1 mark. Okay. I hope I am clear. This set I am going to give you the solution. This set number. This. So first question, let me read the first question. Complete any 10 of the following 12 tasks as directed. Already I have told you, out of 12 you have to attempt any 10. Fine. ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि आपको 12 क्वेश्चन दिए रहेंगे, उसमें आपको सिर्फ 10 ही अटेम्प्ट करने हैं. जो आपको कठिन लगे, जो आपको लग रहा है कि हमें नहीं आ रहा, कोई भी कंफ्यूजन है, आप उसको छोड़ सकते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. ओके, बट आई विल गिव यू ऑल द 12 सॉल्यूशन. Okay. So first question, let me read the first question. First of all, take this set of question paper in your hand before going to watch this video. Then you can solve and then. So now let me read the first question. First question, fill in the blanks by using the correct form of the word in the bracket for the given portion of a letter. Therefore, I request you to please consider this request of dash construct a park in our society. So, here the correct word where you have construct. So, construct means here consider as a constructing. So, first question's answer will be constructing. So the word which is given here, construct, will change into constructing a park in our society so that each and every person can benefit and we can enjoy a healthy environment amidst the concrete jungle. So it means this is the first question's answer will be consulting. According to the sense here, the correct word not consult, consulting. This request of consulting a park in our society. Okay, fine. Now let's move towards the second question. Second question, read the given sentence from an article on yoga, identify the error and supply the correction in the sentence. Error you have to recognize. Yoga should help lower blood pressure, cholesterol and blood sugar, all of which are not good for our heart and blood vessel. Use the given format for our response. So now the yoga. If you read this, you studied the model work. Model work separate video I had uploaded. If you have any doubt, you can watch that video. Okay. So should, as you all know, the should will use for the general rule, for the basic rules, not for the yoga. Yoga is the, so here the error is, error will be the should. The word should is error and correction in correction you can, in place of should you can use can, may and might. If you can use any, then your sentence would be correct. So this would be your answer. I hope it would be clear. Now let's move towards the third question. Manthan and Sonalika had a conversation about the Sonalika's job interview. They have conversation. This question from the reported speech. So, my dear student, for the reported speech, all the rules you have studied, you need to remind before going to solve this question. So, report. Try to understand the question. Question को समझिए पहले. Report Manthan's question. You have to report the Manthan question, and question given, how are you preparing for the interview? This form you have to change into indirect speech. How will you change? Means the question part you should highlight. So what would be the third answer? Let me explain. Then as I told you, if the reported speech asking a question, how are you preparing for interview? It means this reported speech asking a question, then reporting verb side to is changed into asked. So here Manthan asked Sonalika how she was preparing for the interview. I hope it would be clear. Let me explain this sentence. In interrogative sentence, if the reported speech asking a question, there are two types of interrogative sentence. One begins with the auxiliary verb and second one with the WH word. And this given sentence start with the WH word. So this word can be used as a conjunction. So here Manthan asked Sonalika how she was. Means how, it means you. You will change according to the object of the reporting verb. So it means how she was preparing for the interview. I hope it would be clear. And this interrogative sentence will change into assertive. I hope it would be clear. Now let's move towards the fourth one. If you have any doubt, you can watch my direct and indirect video. So now fourth one. Again, fourth one also from the reported speech. Reported speech, you have to prepare this chapter for the 3 question only. So each year you will have the 3 question from the reported speech. This chapter you should prepare very well. Okay, now let me read the fourth one. Read the dialogue between Meher and her mother regarding Meher's dance classes. So this is the question. Mother. Now the dialogue types of question given. Mother. Are you enjoying your dance classes? Again. Are you enjoying? Now this sentence also interrogative sentence and begins with the auxiliary verb. Okay. So it is very good. Continuously given the begins with the WH word and the sentence next one given with the auxiliary verb. ये sentence क्या है आपको auxiliary verb से start है. So now the Meher. Oh yes. I am loving it. It is so refreshing to attend them after a long day. Okay. Select the correct option to complete the reporting of the verb dialogue. It means this the Meher's mother asked her dash in response this dash you should, it means if or whether you will apply. So and then according to this sentence, are you enjoying your dance? You should choose the correct option. Means whether the dance classes were no, being, not being. It's While choosing the correct option, you should cut the option. Being or never using. So first one. Then the second, she is enjoying, is never, in indirect speech, never use the HMR, the past, always we are using the past verb. Whether she was enjoying her dance classes and whether the dance classes are being, no, both are. So which one? The third one. So now the C option would be correct. Whether she was enjoying her dance classes. Now let me explain this students, whether or if you can apply. So whether she was enjoying. Here a conjunction, as a conjunction we have used, no if or whether we have used. The word WH word can be used as a conjunction, but if the reported speech begins with the auxiliary verb, then you will put the if or whether, then that interrogative sentence will change into assertive sentence. Now let's move towards the fifth one. Answer fifth. Filling the blanks by choosing the correct option to complete the line of a circular issued by an organization to its stakeholders. In order to enable stakeholder to assess, now the option given assess and accent, all is applying here. So which one the correct option here? The assess would be the fifth one, to assess. ACCESS. This one would be correct option. It is very easy. Assess to according to the meaning of the sentence you have to choose it. Now I am moving aside. You can note the correct option and either note down or take the screenshot. Let's move towards the next question. Okay. Now question 6. Now look towards the question 6. Identify the error and supply correction for the given sentence from a complete orientation program. A founder's goal during the first phase is to learn how to obtain feedback on low prospective and real customers are experience the product. You will read like this sentence twice you will read, and then recognize the error and correction. So here this also 6. Now the sixth one, error and correction based question. So again you will error, and here I will write correction. So which part? Experience. Customer are experienced, not experience. So here the correction error is in experience. Where the error part is experience. Experience. Okay. So this is, and correction. What is the correction? Correction is experience. Correction would be the experience. Okay. Now this part done, error and correction. Now 7th. Let's move toward the question 7th. Okay. Let me read the question 7th. Select the option that identifies the error and supplies the correction for a line from a research report. Okay. In many low and middle income countries, health coverage has improved dramatically in the last 2 decades, but health outcomes may not. So here the option given A, B, C, D. One, you have to choose error and correction. Which part has error and correction? Has, have and may and have. C. Which one the correct option? Here the C option be correct. May and have. So this one the seventh is this one the correct option. Now the eighth. Let's move towards the question A. Okay. Now let me read the question A. Complete the given narrative by filling in the blanks with the correct option. Excited about his newly earned power, Midas started touching all kinds of things, dash each item into pure gold. Pure gold. Midas story I think you all have. So yeah, according to the tense you should hear the things. Midas started touching all kinds of things, dash each item into pure. So what? To turning is incorrect. Turn is also incorrect. And turns also. So which one is the turning? The things turning. So B option, things turning would be the correct. Here the turning option would be correct. Now let's move towards the ninth. As I told you, I will give you all the 12 question solution, but in exam you will solve only 10. Clear? Ninth one. Report the dialogue. Again, as I said, na 3 question you will have from the reported speech. So now the reported speech question again. 2 we have solved and again third one also from the reported speech. Okay. Report the dialogue between two friends Nidhi and Neha by completing the sentence. Now let me read the question. Have you mastered the art of cooking Chinese food? Neha, yes indeed. I have been cooking Chinese food for a month. Nidhi asked Neha if she had mastered the art of cooking Chinese food. Neha answered in the affirmative and explained that this part you have to fill. So that, let me write the answer. That subject of reported speech and then the past had been cooking Chinese food for a month. I hope it would be clear. Because answer 9th would be clear. As I said, here means this question is, it has been explained that in, so had been cooking. Here have been cooking will change into had been cooking. Means present perfect continuous is changed into past perfect continuous. As I had explained in my video, reported speech, direct indirect speech, I had explained it very well. If you have doubt, you have any confusion, go and watch that video. Okay. Now, next question, 10th. Now let me give you the answer. Take the question. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. To complete the part of the disclaimer given in the textbook, the author of the book all reasonable care to ensure that the content of the book do not violate any copyright or other intellectual property right of any person in any manner. So you have to hear dash. Author of the book dash or. So here it means authors, plural verb given. So here one, two and third form of the verb. So have the answer B would be correct here. B would be correct. Have taken. Have taken would be correct answer. Now let's the 11th one and the 12th. Complete the slogan by filling in the blank with the correct option. Planting a tree is a very noble deed and dash. Slogan you have to complete. Novel deed dash the earth from global warming. Saves the very noble deed and save the earth. Save the earth. 11th one. The correct option saves the earth. Now let me tell you the option. Answer 12. Identify the error and supply correction for the following note in the instruction manner here. The question. Use this appliance here. Use this appliance only for the intentional use as described in this manual. Do not use attachments that are not recommended by the manufacturer. Use the given format for your response. So here again error and correction. Three questions you will have for the error and correction. So here intentional. Error is intentional. It is error and intended is correction. Intended is correction. So all the 12 answer we have solved of this section for the 10 marks. This type of question will be given in your question paper and try to solve like this and practice will help you all. By practicing this video, help you all to solve this question. Now I am moving aside. So student, we have solved section B grammar part. I hope all the answer would be clear to you all. Which question answer would not clear for you? Let me know in the comment. If you like my video, hit the like button. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification if I upload any new video. Thanks for watching.